So this is the length of the skirt plus 2 inches, and this is the lining minus 2 inches. So now we take the skirt to the sewing machine to run a straight stitch to form gathers. So we gather the down part and the upper part. So this is the upper part. We do the same to the down part. Gather the lining as well, just one part on the lining. We leave the second side. So now we pull together. So after gathering, secure the edges by tying it so that it will not lose. So make sure it's equal to the lining, the part that you did not gather. So one of the parts you gathered on the fabric for skirt, you place it on the lining side that is not gathered. So you sew it to turn it, the right side facing the right side. So you sew it with the lining to turn it over, and you adjust the gathers as you are sewing. As you can see, I'm adjusting the gathers so that it can lay very well and form equality. Remember, I'm sewing it on the part that is not gathered on the lining. The other side is gathered. That's the waist side. So now I'm done with the down part. So I pull it. We minus 2 inches from the lining. So that's why we have the effect of pulling it up. So now I will sew one side. As you can see, I will leave the second side so that it can give room for pulling. Now I'm pulling the upper part, which is for the waist. So this waist side, you will use your waist measurement. So when you confirm your waist measurement, you stop, and you do the same on the Ankara fabric or any type of fabric you are using. You pull to reach your waist measurement. So now I'm pulling. It must be equal to the same measurement on that lining. So tie it will secure the edges. After pulling, after gathering, you tie it so that you not lose. So can you see? Remember, I'm using this small fabric for tutorial sake. If you are doing your skirt, it will be bigger than this. So I'm using this one for a doll. So now the waistband, you cut your waistband, fabric for waistband, and you use interfacing on it so that it can hold it. So now see the way I will attach it to it. You place the wrong side of the skirt on the right side of the band. So after sewing it together like this, you can see the inside. Then you top stitch it on the outer side. So after this, you take it to your sewing machine to create space for zipper allowance. So now that we are here, the remaining things to put our zip, and we are good to go. So this is our balloon or bubble skirt. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you. See you in the next video.